Hey, this is Robert here at Guzzi Fabrication, and this video is a quick look and a first use of a Milwaukee M12 fuel cordless ratchet. You know, listening to shop compressors run all day is not a good time, not to mention potential long-term hearing damage. So we've pretty much switched the shop over to battery-powered tools like impacts, saws, grinders, but the bodywork tools are still exclusively pneumatic. Now I like the DeWalt brand, but everyone has their own preference. And honestly, I've heard more positives on the Milwaukee ratchet over the DeWalt. And I'm always for what works best, regardless of brand. Now this is the first experience I've had with the cordless ratchet, and I chose the 3/8 fuel over the standard M12 because it has more torque. Now my thoughts, don't throw your pneumatic air ratchet away. The pneumatic hands down has more torque. But for light to medium work, the M12 fuel is great. Now you may have to manually break the fasteners like the second bolt in the video on the door hinges, but not dragging around that air hose and hearing that compressor cycle all day is a huge plus. And I'm really satisfied with the purchase. And hey, if you like the video, hit that like button and subscribe. Then check out our other videos on YouTube. Hey, thanks again for watching.